Our capacity. We have been doing it for last 5 years successfully. This time also hopefully we'll do it.
ఓకే సార్ అంటే ఇది ఎన్ని టన్స్ వరకు మోస్తుంది క్రెయిన్
300 ton capacity crane available now.
300
Yes, absolutely. And this crane is actually brought from Germany. It's a German make. And it's a brand is Terex brand. It is one of the leading brand in the world. There are a lot of cranes in the entire world. It's a leading brand called Terex. So this crane almost 5-6 years back, and we have been doing this Ganesh work and also many other works like construction work, infrastructure work, dam work, and railways job, and the port cargoes job, and mainly high-rise steel contractor job, mainly high-rise towers jobs. We are doing it. This is also one of the job we are going to carry out the heavy jobs actually. Yeah.
అంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇది క్రెయిన్ ఇన్ని టన్స్ మోస్తుంది కదా సో 5 ఇయర్స్ నుంచి మీరు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేస్తున్నారు
Yeah,
సో ఈ 5 ఇయర్స్ లో కూడా అంటే ఈ 4 ఇయర్స్ మిగతా 4 ఇయర్స్ లో కూడా ఎప్పుడైనా ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం కానీ అట్లా వచ్చిందా
See, problem ఏమీ లేదు. First year government given the job to us. That was some fear. First time government given opportunity to us. So we are little bit having fear in our heart. Government first time given job. It's a big task for us. So we have to be very careful. So we have done a very good job that day, that time also. But that time, honestly speaking, we are having some fear. But last 4 years, no fear. Nothing has happened by the grace of God. This time also, hopefully, we'll do a job successfully. We are prepared. Machine is ready. The operator is experienced operator. Operator is having more than 15 years of experience. The machine is having all the safety devices inside. The machine will show if any overload is there. The machine will give you alarm. Machine will give you a message. There is overload. So that once we get alarm, we'll take some preventive action. That is the reason this machine brought from Germany, mainly because it is having a more safety parameters. It will give you instruction, an idea if any overload is going on. So nothing has happened till today, and this time also hopefully we'll do it a good job.
ఓకే సార్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు బడా గణేష్ని లిఫ్ట్ చేయడానికి ముందు ట్రయల్ రన్ ఏమైనా చేస్తారా దీనికి
Yeah, we'll do. See what happened when the Ganesh comes here. There is some preparation job is there. We have to do some welding. We have to do some cutting. We also have to put some wire ropes. We have to do a proper balancing. Proper balancing is required to be done. Before actually lifting it, we do a trial testing at the ground level. We don't lift up. At the ground level, 2-3 times we test. We make it balancing. We make it a good balancing. Everything is prepared. All the manpower. We'll see all the welding, all the cutting. We'll do all testing. Then we'll lift 2-3 times. If everything is okay, then we'll go for final lifting.
మొత్తం ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది సార్ నిమజ్జనం నుంచి కావడానికి
See, the entire process will not take more than 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. But actual lifting will take only 15 minutes. Actual lifting. Before lifting, there are some preparation work to be done. As I told you just now, some welding work, cutting work, tying rope, balancing proper, outrigger, counterweight balancing, crane balancing, testing, trial testing, all those things will done. Maximum it will take about 1 hour time. 1 hour, 10 minutes time. But actual lifting won't take more than 15-20 minutes time. Hardly 15-20 minutes time actual lifting. Yeah, overall process 1.5 hour time.